In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. And on the fifth day, the Bible says, God said, "Let the waters swarm with swarms of living creatures, and let birds fly above the earth across the expanse of the heavens." So God created the great sea creatures and every living creature that moves, with which the waters swarm according to their kinds, and every winged bird according to its kind. And God saw that it was good. And God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply, and fill the waters in the seas, and let birds multiply on the earth." And there was evening, and there was morning, the fifth day.
If I could please have your attention, I don't have much time. Please, take shelter immediately, lock your doors, and trust no one. I'm afraid something terrible has happened tonight. No!
Sorry about that. We've been having an increased amount of conspiracy theorists. Not to worry though, we have it all under control. That won't be happening again.
Conspiracy theorists, that's what they're going with? Really? I've been preparing my entire life for this exact moment. All the years of research and footage. They may think I'm crazy, but I know the truth. And now it's time for that truth to see the light.
I have devoted my entire life to the study of birds. And not only birds, but their mannerisms, their origins. I have to say I've noticed a lot of weird things recently. Some of which I'm not so fond of. There have been a lot of theories going around. And I don't know if it's true. But I want to find out.
Hey guys, I'm on the field now and I just have to say I'm disgusted by what I've found. They're trying to market these birds as pets. How deep does this lie go? They literally have seeds all over this store. It's almost as if they're trying to attract the birds. Seeds on bread? Are you kidding me? Did you guys hear that? They're after me. Thank goodness it was a dream.
You coming with me, buddy?